children. Good morning to everyone. How are you all? All are fine and safe? Okay. So welcome to our English class. Children, today we are going to learn a story about friends. Our friendship. Okay. So do you have friends? Yes? How many friends do you have? So for everyone there will be only one best friend. So what do you do with the best friend? Why do we call them as best friend? So the best friend means whomever we want to tell, whatever the problems we are having, we will share everything with our friends. Okay. So that friend, what he used to do, he used to listen your problem and then he'll advise you how to solve the problem, or he only solves the problem. So such type of persons we call them as best friends. Whenever we are in a trouble, they used to come and they used to overcome from that problem. So such type of friends we call them as best friends. So everyone is having a best friend? Okay. Now what is the story we are going to learn? The story is about fair play. The story is about fair play. In this lesson, we are going to see about two friends and their friendship. How many friends we are having? Two friends. And how the friendship is going on between them, we are going to see in this story. So once again, ma, what is the name of the lesson? Fair play. Okay. And the characters of the story. The characters of the story. What are they? Juman Sheikh, Algu Chaudhary, Old Aunt, Sanju Sahu. What are the characters? Juman Sheikh, Algu Chaudhary, Old Aunt and Sanju Sahu. In this fair play, we are having three parts, children. This is the first part which I am going to explain you. The whole story will be running with these four characters only. Understood? There are two friends. Those are Juman Sheikh and Algu Chaudhary, Old Aunt and Sanju Sahu. Let us see what is going on between these characters. Here, these two are the persons. These two are the persons. Algu Chaudhary and Juman Sheikh. Algu Chaudhary and Juman Sheikh. They both are good friends. They both were good friends. And if one of the person in this both, if they go to the village or if they go for work, the other will stay at home. Okay. And in the whole, they used to live in the village, no? Everyone in the village, they used to know about their friendship. That much of bonding is there between the two persons. So who are the friends here? Algu Chaudhary and Juman Sheikh. Everyone in the village knows about their friendship. And next, she is the old aunt. She is the old aunt. Whose aunt she is? She is the aunt of Juman Sheikh. She is the aunt of Juman Sheikh. Here, she is having some property. This old aunt, she is having some property. So, she became old. That's why she used to think, if I give this property to Juman and if she stays in his home, then they used to take care of her. Right? In some families, if you observe, the old parents will stay near their sons or daughters' house because no one will take care of the old aunts, old people. So they used to go near their family members and they used to live happily. So here also, this old aunt, she need to go for Juman Sheikh home on the condition. She went there on a condition. What is that? She is to give her property to the Juman Sheikh and she will stay in the home of Juman's house. Okay? So that was she was the lady. And next, so she gave the property to the Juman. After some days, for some days, she was living there very happily. Everyone were looking at her very happily because she gave the property. Property in sense, it may be of sight or it may be of money, whatever it may be, she is having some property. The whole property she gave it to the, she transformed that to the Juman. So if we have money, everyone will take care of us, right? If we don't have money, will they allow and will they take care of us? No, in this generation anyone is not going to take. If there is a money, all the relatives will be there in your home, all your friends will be there in your home, everyone, your neighbors also will be there in the home. If money is not there, no one is allowed to come near us. So money is most important, children. Remember that your property is most important. Okay. So here this lady gave property to Juman. So Juman's family, Juman and his wife, both were looking at her very happily. But after some days, they started quarreling between Juman's aunt and wife. If you see in a home, if there are 2 or 3 ladies, they after some days they used to fight in any case because they don't like their behaviors and everything. So immediately the quarreling will be started. In the same way, in this story also, Juman's aunt and his wife, they both started fighting. Then one day this aunt will speak to the Juman. What she used to speak? See, son, now I came to know that you are not ready to look at me. You are not ready to take care of me because many a days I am going to observe you, how you have seen me. In the before days you looked at me very care, you have taken very care. But nowadays your wife and you are not taking care of me, so I don't want to stay in your home. Or I want some money for every month to prepare a new kitchen. Okay, that was that she told to the Juman. So what did she tell? Kindly give me a monthly allowance. So per month you need to give some amount of money. Why? Because your wife is not taking care of me. So I don't want to stay in your home because your wife is not keeping good food to me. She is not giving food properly. If you give me monthly allowance, I can get my food happily. Okay. So that was told by old aunt to the man. Who is that man? Juman Sheikh. Then this Juman will come and tell, my wife, she knows everything. How to stay in the home, how to take care of the home, and how to run a family, everything she used to know. You no need to tell about my wife. Who told these words? Juman told these words to the old aunt. Then immediately old aunt will think, so husband will give support to the wife only, no? So she understood that she'll get angry on both of them about Juman and his wife. So she'll go to the villagers. Every day she used to go to the villagers and she used to tell to the villagers that they are not looking at me, they are not taking care about me. Then immediately they used to tell, some of them will tell, okay, you became old, you have to adjust with them, like that. Even though she will not listen, then she will go, she will go and she want to tell this case in the panchayat, village panchayat. In the villages they will not have the police stations in the before days. Okay, they used to go for the panchayat, there the head punch will be there. They only give the judgment. So she wanted to take this case towards the panchayat. Who wants to take this case towards the panchayat? Who wants to take this words to the panchayat? Yes, old aunt. Juman's aunt want to give complaint in the panchayat about the Juman and his wife. So next, she waited for some days and then she went for the Algu Chowdhury also. She told to Algu, you are also one of my family member. You know everything about us. How your friend is looking at me, how he was taking care at me. So you have to come to the panchayat and you need to speak the truth, because you are only the one person who knows about me more, because you are also staying in my home, so you know everything. So please come to the panchayat and you speak the truth. Who told these words? Old aunt told to Algu Chowdhury. And next, then she used to go for the panchayat. That will be what was happened and what will be going on will be seen in the second part. Okay children? Okay, we'll see in the second part. Thank you.